We just came from Japan, and we just arrived actually earlier today. We were very tired. Yesterday was a very long layover. That is another story. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys today what's inside my bag for the last 24 hours. I think I'm also gonna be surprised what's inside unsay sulod sa akong bag. Kay puno kayo siya, and murag yeah, o kayo nun pa kung unsa ang mga naa sa sulod. Kaya nalimot na sad ko. So let's go, guys. Let's do it. I don't know if I'm gonna be excited to show you, but I will show you. I'm gonna show you what's inside my on the go. This is an MM on the go. This is what's inside my on the go mommy edition. So first, wait lang. Sige. It's very full. It's full of stuff. So we had a layover 12 hours at Taiwan. So mo ni ang sulod sa akong bag. So first, I have this. I have these two activity books from Eva Air. This for the kids. Next is our boarding passes, papers for custom decorations. This is an extra. Still, boarding pass, our passports. So messy inside here. My card holder, charger, arrival card. Actually, we don't need this anymore if you're a Philippine passport holder. Poy-Poy's shoes is inside my bag. Yeah, we're very handy thermometer just in case we might need this one. Poy-Poy's toy. So this is what your bag's gonna look like if you're a mom with a baby and a toddler traveling with you. I don't know what this is. Ang but. Basta na siya sa akong bag. Ako kay Bob Sunny. Ano na, puti sa bag. Doesn't look so good, the shape. I have an apple juice. Surprise, surprise! I don't even know this is here inside. Alcohol. There's a lot. Resibo. Very disorganized bag. Resibo. Let's put it here. Tambal, Alnex for Pot&Poy and Poy-Poy. Wipes, antibacterial wipes. Wipes from Eva Air. Another resibo. My gym ball. I didn't even use this one. And this, let's find out what's inside. There's only one. Alnex. And this one, there's a lot of sulod, another wipes, money, makeup, Advil, Camilosan spray, brush, powder, of course, itong ipikasan, salon pass. Mga sensiyo na lang. And lastly, ay wala pa di ay. Among yan. Ballpen. Grabe ka, mami bag. Napay 5. And last, a bag within a bag. Wala niya akong bag. Ay nanangitan ako kay puro resibo ang nasa sud. Walay sulod. And then, resibo. That's it! No more. So this is what's going to be inside your bag if you have a toddler and a baby traveling with you. Bisan unsa wa nagay ko kay baw nga naa pa din guba. So very handy kayo ang on the go. This is an size and look unsa ang ma-fit inside. Mao ni tanan. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.